Today's focus is on choking in adults, a common and potentially life-threatening emergency where swift action is critical. If someone is choking, they may clutch their throat, struggle to breathe, cough, or be unable to speak. First, encourage them to cough forcefully to try and clear the obstruction. If coughing fails, deliver 5 sharp back blows between the shoulder blades using the heel of your hand. Check after each blow to see if the obstruction is cleared. If not, move on to 5 abdominal thrusts. Stand behind the person, place a clenched fist above their navel, and pull sharply inwards and upwards. Alternate between 5 back blows and 5 abdominal thrusts until the object is cleared or the person becomes unresponsive. If they lose consciousness, begin CPR immediately and call 999. Choking can be fatal in minutes, so act confidently and quickly.